So let's try basic step, but focus is not on the step, it's to have a rhythm. That's the key for us, to have a rhythm. Dos, tres. With the right foot go, 1, 2, 3. Left, front, right to back. Pa, pa, pa. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 7. And you can do a little bounce. Tick. High dick, very good. Very good high dick. You feel it? Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. So our body become a music. Pa, boom, pa, pa. And do like a little bounce like this. Pa, pa, pa. Chick, chick, chick. Chick, chick, chick. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Evgeny, go more down. You're too high. You have to be the knee slightly soft. Now it's not on the straight legs. It's down. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. And you see like body like this. Forward slide. Boom, pa, pa. Boom. Like this to me. It's like this. Forward. Forward. Evgeny, look. Forward. Like this. Forward. Watch. Pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. It's not this. It's this. Da, da, da. Ben. Yeah, Ben. Yeah, that's better position. Let's try together with the right foot back. 2, 3, 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rhythm. Ta, 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 ta. Make a sound with your feet for now. Chick, chick, chick. 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 Yeah, excellent. That was better. So now we're gonna do like this. So you, gentlemen, you go here in the line. You guys go here. You're gonna face each other, but no touch. So maybe Evgeny with hiding. No, you change, because you just started here already. Dance a little bit. Yeah, no hands. Don't touch. No hands. So stay maybe here, like this. You here. Yeah, no hands. So you're gonna face each other a little bit closer in one line. Yeah, like this. So basically, you're gonna look to your partner, and so this we would like to teach you how to lead and follow. So lead and follow is not this. Look, lead and follow is not this. It's not only, like arms and turning her. Lead and follow, it's more, I use my body to indicate something to my partner. So I'm gonna use my body with this step. I'm gonna invite her. You see, I step back, I'm inviting her here. Replace, boom. Now I invite her to step back by me stepping forward. And then we just dancing together, vibing together in harmony. Got it? So that's without hands. So I want you to focus on her body, you focus on his. So we will demonstrate how it should look. Let me demonstrate. So when you later hold the arms, your focus should not be on the arms, your focus should be on the other person, on the body. So we're not gonna touch, let's see if she can fall. 5, 6, 7, pa, pa, pa. You see, I'm focusing on her legs, body, when she step, aha. Are we at the same time? Is she's faster? Or I can lead her like this. See, without touching. Or I can do this to her. Look. Without touching, got it? So, and then she understands. She didn't know what we're gonna do. So I can do more difficult, but it's, or we can do more difficult. Ta, ta. This a little faster will be. So how she knows that we're gonna do this step? So you see, it's possible without even because I'm watching and she's watching. So that's our goal. So let's try like this, focusing on each other. Just basic step.
Bienvenidos a nuestra lección de ritmo latino y nos vamos en salsa. Ritmo 4/4. 1, 2.